Alright guys, I have another video out on how to do sheetrock already. Just the gaps between them. I'm going to show you guys how to do corners now. I actually use one of these, but the way I apply it is the exact same way as I do the flat sheetrock. This time I put the tape first. And if you watched that other video, you remember me saying that I always leave about 3/4 inch from the tape to the corner because you don't want to overlap your tape. And just push it flat. You probably can't see that one right there, but just push it flat. Whoopsie, that's too far. But push it to it's like a flat 90. So once you have a good amount of mud on your corner, this is what I'm calling my corner. Really, your corner's in the corner. I know it looks a little messed up. The studs were off by about a ½ inch or an inch, actually about an inch. Anyways, that's why it looks like that. Anyways, you're gonna take your inside corner trowel and you're literally just gonna go across the corner, and that's gonna give you that perfect corner. Yeah. Anyways, once you go over that a few times, that'll give you a perfect corner. You're gonna have to do a little bit of sanding, but it's not gonna be too bad. I'm gonna go through and clean this up a little bit, but that's pretty much the gist of it. It's actually really simple. And I'm pretty sure contractors charge $100+ an hour, so to save you some money. If it did save you some money, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you know a better way to do it for DIYers, let us know. I've watched some videos, but this way works best for me. Thanks.